Hello friends, I decided to make a little video for you guys while I was on my trip. We went hiking today in the mountains and I saw all sorts of things that are inspired for us to create with in nature. Let's get started on this video. This lamb's ear was the first thing we saw on our hike up the Seven Bridges Trail. It was beautiful and we used this in a lot of our DIYs. There was also these beautiful trees. Look how gorgeous they are, and they reminded me of bottle brush trees. Of course, they're huge trees, but they just reminded me of bottle brush trees. And these beautiful pines caught my eye, of course, because how many times have we decorated with those? I have some little greenery just like this in my stash that's artificial, of course. And always have some moss in our stash. Some more greenery. And then I couldn't help but take a picture of this beautiful butterfly. This was hands down my favorite. The birch log, the birch bark, and these adorable little pine cones. It was very hard for me to leave those behind, but we need to leave in nature what belongs in nature. We did make it up to the 7th bridge. It was quite a hike. It was a beautiful day. We had a fantastic time, and I enjoyed it so much. As tempting as it was, I did not bring any of it home. I'll just stick to the things that I can pick up at Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree.